Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Gargi, where were we? What we were doing?
Ma'am, we were doing the
And we have completed the flowcharts of civics.
We have completed the flowcharts of civics, and we have to start with.
But when that chapter was deleted by CBSE,
Which chapter?
caste, religion, and gender.
अच्छा हाँ बेटा अरे तुम भूल गए.
Yes, ma'am. It is deleted.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Only one chapter is coming for history.
Wait. I am telling you. See, we have rise of nationalism in Europe for first term. We have resources and development, water resources, agriculture. Now this water resources chapter, we are going to have only the map work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
Yes,
class?
ma'am.
Only map work. Then power sharing federalism.
Yes, ma'am. And development and sectors
Excuse
in
me,
economy.
ma'am.
जी बेटा
Ma'am, the theoretical part of water resources will be there in the periodic assessments.
it will be there, but then we are thinking of not doing that.
Okay, ma'am.
There is
Okay,
a
ma'am.
once we attend the meeting, and I'll be in a position to tell you what we are including, what we are leaving. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know, only the age of industrialization you have. Print culture is not there in your syllabus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It was also deleted.
Ma'am, that was also for internal assessment only.
Yes.
Ma'am, chapter 3 and chapter 4 of history is also for internal assessment only.
Yes, ma'am. Only one chapter is coming in
Made
term 2. Nationalism in India.
realization also.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
means there is a lot of things are there to be discussed then
Ma'am, 3 chapters are there for term 2.
for the second
But
term.
2
No?
chapters are only for internals.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
internal.
But two chapters are printed.
Only one chapter is there.
Ma'am, in the syllabus, it was given that the teacher will choose between two themes, chapter 3 or chapter 4, and take it as an internal assessment.
Yes, ma'am. Only one chapter
Ma'am,
is
for
for
term-
board
For
examination.
term 2, only chapter 2 is given for term 2, nationalism in India.
Actually, last year also the same thing was there. Initially, they told us that whatever was deleted in the previous year, everything has to be taken up. Now, again, in the new syllabus, they have deleted everything. Only 2 chapters in history they are giving you now. But we will
Yes,
be,
ma'am.
see, age of industrialization we have done. So for periodic test, we will be having this chapter, right?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
I'm like after half yearly.
No. For the periodic test.
So we'll have our like UT2 before the half yearlies.
Beta, everything I see, I am not in a position to tell you right now because nothing has been discussed with the principal. Once we discuss all these things with the principal, then only we'll be able, like at least I will be able to tell you that after I discuss with him. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Though there are like my friends and all those who are teaching in other schools, no, other cities also of different states, they said that you have to take up these chapters and UTs you have to evaluate them. But then again,
Yes, ma'am,
what is
it
the
is
point
required.
when, what is the point when these are not coming for the board examination? It will be useless, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
They are
Yes,
only
ma'am.
for internal assessments.
Exactly. Exactly. So in the second term,
Ma'am, in was this only, and we don't have these chapters for UT.
yes. So periodic test means UT only, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. That means kul milake, if syllabus they have kept the same. They have not changed anything. Last year also only 2 chapters were there in term 1 and term 2. This year again chapter 1 and chapter 2 only they have. Chalo, it is good that they have eased out. I hope you all have the syllabus wala thing with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Let us continue with the political parties chapter, right?
Civics.
Yes, political parties of civics. What exactly we were doing? Can any one of you tell?
And we haven't started this chapter.
I think we have started, beta.
No, ma'am, we have not started.
No, ma'am.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Himanshu is in the waiting room.
I have taken him.
Okay, ma'am.
There is some problem. I think वो दो बार लिया मैंने दोनों बार वो आ ही नहीं पाया connect नहीं हो पाया. चलो. So we'll start with civics, political parties. Now, what do you know about political parties, class? Do you know anything about political parties?
Ma'am, they are pressure groups.
Okay, they are pressure groups. What else?
They are group of people playing an important role in a country's democracy.
Okay, they are a group of people playing an important role in the democracy. What kind of role do they play?
Ma'am, they represent a particular group of the country.
Yes, so ma'am, a political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections.
But then,
Held power in
what
the
is
past.
what is the purpose of grouping together? What is the purpose of coming in association?
To contest election.
Huh?
To contest election.
And to contest elections and hold the powers of the government.
To under?
And to
To
contest
contest the
elections
elections and hold the power in the government.
To contest elections and hold the power. Okay.
Power of the government.
Hanji. Do you think that we need to have these associations? Can't we do without these associations?
No, ma'am, we need.
Huh?
Ma'am, we need these.
Ashray?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think their role is? Don't you think that we as a group, we all can take care of the country? Why do we need these political parties? Do we really need them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we need. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why do we need them? Why do we need them?
Ma'am, because it is not possible for
Ma'am,
every
because-
citizen to take part in the political activities.
Yes, because it is not possible for every citizen to take part in the political activities. Very good. Akansha, any other point?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, nahi. Aiza, batao beta.
Ma'am, every citizen in a country is not experienced enough to take decisions for which is best for the country.
Yes. See, the problem is that if we all say, for example, if we, everyone says that what is the use, what is the necessity of having political parties? See, the use is that if we say, like, say, for example, Gargi, Tina, Yash, Ishishwar, Shaurya, Aradhe, they all say that we will take care of our constituency. You all are part of a region, part of a constituency. You are the leaders of those constituencies. And you say, we will take care of the constituency that we belong to. Now, what about the whole region then? The region which you are part of, who is going to take care of that region? Who is going to take decisions on behalf of the country? How people will ensure, how others will ensure that overall development, overall welfare is taking place? Maybe Ashray is not very good in taking care of his people. Maybe Viresh is doing extraordinary work for his people. So if people will start comparing, they will start facing problems, right? So people will start migrating, maybe because people feel that Ashray is not taking proper care of us. So let us go to those areas, those regions where other peoples are being taken care of, या जहाँ पे policies are in favor of the general public. तो ये चीजें भी तो हो सकती है ना. तो इसकी वजह से भी people may face problems. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि भाई हम लोग अपने इंडिविजुअल एरियाज को देखते हुए हम जो है कंट्री का जो ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट है उस पे हम देख ही नहीं रहे हैं, है ना. Nobody is there to make policies for the whole nation, right? How to ensure similarity?
Yes, ma'am.
Class, are you facing any problem in this Zoom class today?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, you are
ma'am.
audible.
You're audible.
What Ashray and Devansh are saying, I am not able to hear, beta.
And they are not saying anything.
I can't hear you.
Class, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You're
Now you
audible.
are audible.
Ma'am, your voice
Now you
is
are
cutting
audible.
me.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible now, Himanshu?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. You're
ma'am.
audible.
Ma'am, okay.
Beta, are you able to listen to me now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You are
ma'am. Yes,
audible.
ma'am. You are audible.
You are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, but we
can hear you clearly.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
audible.
Yes, ma'am. There might be network issue.
Ma'am,
Okay, fine. Chaliye. I was telling you that why do we need political parties? See, it is important to have political parties because these people who organize themselves into an organization or when they associate themselves and they form a political group, they contest elections and they are in a position to work for the betterment of the country. They are in a position to work for the welfare of the general public. The policies and the programs that are initiated by these people, they are for the whole country, for the benefit of the whole country, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See, when we talk of the meaning and of the components, a political party has three main components: the leaders, the active members, and the followers. Now, when we talk of the functions of the political party, the main function of these political parties is to contest election by putting up their candidates. Second is to frame policies and programs to attract the general public. Plus, they play a very decisive role in making in the lawmaking process in the parliament. Then they are the ones who form and who run the government. Then those political parties which do not come to power, what do? They hold the
They form
they
pressure
play
group.
the role of the opposition, those who do not come to power and form government. Now the opposition is also has a very important role to play. The opposition and along with the government that we have, they shape the public opinion by raising public issues, right? Especially the opposition that we have, they critically analyze the policies of the government and they make sure that the policies that are there, they are in the favor of the general public. They also, like these political parties which are there, the members, the various other components which are there, they also make sure that the government machinery is accessible to them. Those people who are not aware of the welfare policies or the schemes that is launched by the government, what do these people do? They give an access to the government machinery by reaching to them in their regions and areas. I hope I am clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now coming to the necessity of having this political party. See, every candidate in the election, if we are not having political parties, what will happen? Every candidate in the election will be independent and no promises could be made, and the utility of the government formed will remain uncertain. No one will be responsible for running the country. Elected representatives will only be accountable to their constituencies, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then there will be no agency to gather and present different views on various issues to the government. Plus, no one will be responsible for bringing various representatives together so as to form a responsible government. There will be no mechanism to support the government to make policies and to justify or oppose them. Like right now, what I am facing, I am not able to listen to what you are saying. And even I feel that maybe you are saying that I am audible, but that response that I need is not coming. So because of that, I feel that I am not able to express myself completely to you, or because I am not getting any response from your side, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can
Yes,
write in the
ma'am.
chat box. I am not able to listen to your voices. Okay, fine. Got it. Now, when we talk of the party system, like, in the book, the next topic that you have, it says that what kind of party system should be there. So we say that there should be one party system, two party system, or multi-party system. Like throughout the world, if you see in democratic countries or in when we talk of democracy, political parties are a mandatory condition for the for having political parties. Now, how many political parties should be there? Like in the book, it is given one party system, two party system, or multi party system. Yes, Ashray wants to say something.
No, ma'am.
Beta? Okay. Now, when we talk of the one party system, in one party system, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. When we talk of China, China is the best example because the Communist Party in China is the best example of this one party system. Now, when we have one party system, there is no chance, people don't have real choices. There is no choice practice given to the people. Are you able to hear me?
yes, ma'am.
अरे
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
आपकी आवाज आई है देर बाद. ये मीटिंग बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रही है क्या?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are getting disconnected.
हाँ, I don't know
Yes,
what
ma'am,
is
you are
the
getting
problem.
disconnected from
Why
the
this
meet.
thing is happening today?
Ma'am,
It's happening
today
from
a
last
subset
2
of
days.
Zoom users, ma'am, this gets
Yes,
disconnected.
sir.
चलो कोई नहीं. Finally, I am able to hear you all. चलिए. So we were discussing about the party system. Like I told you about the one party system. Can you tell me about two party system? Anybody who knows? In the class? Yes, Viresh?
In which only two parties are there.
Okay. Can you give example of one such country?
Ma'am, America.
Okay.
Yes,
USA
ma'am,
and
might be that.
USA and
Multi-party.
no. I'm talking about two party system.
Ma'am, America.
America and
USSR.
Ma'am, example of multi-party system I know, ma'am. This one I don't know.
okay. Okay. Even
Ma'am, Japan.
USA is a two party system. Then UK is a two party system, right?
Ma'am, Russia.
Japan. Ma'am, Japan.
जापान में आप कह सकते हो नहीं टू पार्टी तो नहीं है जापान में बेटा.
Okay.
Ma'am, multi-party system.
We are talking about two party system.
Ma'am, is there Russia example of two-party system?
नहीं रशिया में भी टू पार्टी सिस्टम नहीं है बेटा.
Ma'am, Canada.
नहीं कनाडा में तो अलग है. कनाडा में भी यूएसए में है आपका तो कनाडा नहीं कनाडा में भी टू पार्टी Can you hear me, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, Russia is not a two-party system. Russia is a multi-party system. Okay, yes.
And in
Okay, ma'am.
Canada.
Okay, now in two-party system, ideally, if we talk about two-party system, if we are talking about ideally, even we don't consider, two-party system as an ideal system for any democratic country, because though it is a better choice than the single-party system, but still people will have only two choices. Either the first one or the second one will be coming to power after every democratic elections that take place in the country. So talking,
Ma'am, even in India, BJP and Congress only get the elections. So, ma'am, India can be an two-party
India
system
is a multi-party
indirectly.
system. But India is a multi-party system. We cannot say that India is not a multi-party.
But multi-party can contest.
Multi-party can.
Multi-party are contesting election.
हाँ, multi-party में बेटा देखो, multi-party के अपने खुद के drawbacks हैं. Now what is the drawback? अगर हम multi-party की बात करते हैं तो multi-party में what happens कि अगर आप देखो, हमने जो चैप्टर पढ़ा था फेडरलिज्म वाला, उसमें हमने ये पढ़ा था कि भाई 1990 के बाद से जो है आपका वो कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा जो है कॉमन हो गई थी, है ना. तो जो कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट जो है ये मल्टी पार्टी का एक ड्रॉबैक है. अब कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट जो होती है, दे आर नॉट वेरी सक्सेसफुल गवर्नमेंट्स. उसका रीजन ये होता है, एक तो कोलिशन में होती है ये गवर्नमेंट्स, दूसरा सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक इन पार्टीज का, इन कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट का क्या होता है, स्टेबिलिटी नहीं होती है. दूसरा जो लीडर होता है, जो मेन लीडर होता है, ही इज नॉट इन अ पोजीशन टू टेक डिसीजंस. रीजन बीइंग, सपोज 4 parties are forming the coalition, so that leader has to listen to all the 4 party members, and if he does not give his ear to one of the party, then what they will do, they will withdraw the support that they have given to the party for the coalition. So in that case, what happens, the government may fall, and or the support, if the support is withdrawn, what will happen, then the party again has to prove majority in the parliament. So there are certain cases, where coalition government is also not preferred. Even the multi-party system that we have, though it is, if you compare, the people have, sufficient choices to make. But then again, because of the coalition system that has come up in the recent past, because of that system, because of this also, complications are faced by the government. The government is not single-handedly, taking care of things. There are, group of people, different political party members, they influence the decision of the leader. So in that case also, the government is not is not able to, govern smoothly. I hope I am clear.
Yes.
है ना. ये बेटा पार्टिजनशिप का मतलब होता है कि आपकी जो लॉयल्टी होती है, दैट इज फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पार्टी, और आप इतना ज्यादा उस पार्टी की जो ड्रॉबैक्स होते हैं या जो भी उसके लूपहोल्स होते हैं, उसको आप नहीं प्रेफर करते हो सुनना. आप जो है, आपको ये लगता है कि आपकी पार्टी दी बेस्ट है, उसके अंदर कोई कमी नहीं हो सकती है. पार्टिजनशिप में आप कंप्लीटली लॉयल होते हो टुवर्ड्स अ पर्टिकुलर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
ठीक है. Up till here, everything is clear and understood?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Can we have the reading going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can we have Mohit Gangwar reading?
Yes, ma'am.
मोहित पढ़ो बेटा.
And from starting?
हाँ जी, from the beginning, because we have not started, no?
Political parties. Overview. In the tour of democracy, we have come across political parties several times. In class 9, we noticed the role of political parties in the rise of democracies, the formation of constitutional designs in electoral democracies, in electoral politics, and in making and working of governments. In this textbook, we have glanced over political parties as vehicles of federal sharing of political power and as negotiators of social divisions in the arena of democratic politics. Before concluding this tour, let us take a closer look at the nature and working of political parties, especially in our country. We begin by asking two common questions. Why do we need parties? How many parties are good for democracy? In the light of these, we introduce the national and regional political parties in today's India and then look at what is wrong with political parties and what can be done about it. Why do we need political parties? Political parties are easily one of the most visible institutions in a democracy. For most ordinary person, democracy is equal to political parties. If you travel to a remote part of our country and speak to the less educated citizens, you would come across people who may not know about our constitution or about the nature of our government. But the chances are that they would know something about our political parties. At the same time, this visibility does not mean popularity. Most people tend to be very critical of political parties. They tend to blame parties for all what is wrong with our democracy and our political life. Parties have become identified with social and political divisions. Therefore, it is natural to ask, do we need political parties at all? About 100 years ago, there were few countries of the world that had any political party. Now there are few that do not have parties. Why did political parties become so omnipresent in democracies all over the world? Let us first answer what political parties are and what do they before we see why need them. Meaning,
Okay, wait, Mohit. Can we have बेटा अब्बास साहब आप लोग रीडिंग करते रहो, ठीक है? Can we have Puneet reading the next two paragraphs and then Manish reading the next two paragraphs, right?
From page number 72.
जी बेटा, page 72 meaning.
Okay, ma'am.
Continue.
Meaning, a political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good. Since there can be different views on what is good for all, parties try to persuade people why their policies are better than others. They seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through elections. Thus, parties reflect fundamental political divisions in a society. Parties are about a part of the society and thus involve part, partisanship. Thus, a party is known by which party part it stands for, which policies it
Beta Manthan. Sorry, Manish. Next, Manish has to read, no?